Just want to share how to go to Patiis Downhill Starting Point. Good morning! What a beautiful day for mountain biking! Today, we will show you guys how to go to starting point of Patiis Downhill by pulling of motorcycle. First, we need to climb this uphill. Porter will carry our bike. Climbing to the top is already tiring, but it's fun. When you reach the top of the road, the porter will tie a rope into your bike and tie to his motorcycle. After checking and secured the rope, now we are ready to go. But wait, let's see if it will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. We are ready to go. It's my first time doing this. First time is always exciting. Let's speed up this part of the road and listen to music. But if you're asking how much per trip, it will cost 130 pesos per trip. And travel time is around 10 minutes. Enjoy watching. I will get back to you guys once we reach the other challenging parts. Shout out to my BNBL brothers. Next time join us and let's ride together in PH. Shout out also to all my supporters. Thanks to all of you guys. And to those who are yet to subscribe, please help and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive updates about my latest videos. Let's return to normal speed. To show clearly another challenging part of this uphill, as you can see, there's a lot of ruts. This uphill is a little bit slippery due to rain from the previous night. Only thing you can do is focus on your handlebar and watch the terrain. Don't suddenly press the brake. Let the porter pull you, but sometimes you will need to pedal to assist. And avoid difficulty for the porter. thanks to our porter. We safely reached the starting point of Patiis Downhill.
Ilang agad ba tayo? Ilan?
Time check. Look how bright the sun is at 8 a.m. We need to take a short break before starting the trail. Please watch my previous video, Patiis Downhill PH. The link is in the description box. Thanks for watching.